Thermal properties of textile fibers. Amorphousness. Amorphousness orientation of polymers within the polymer system of any fiber is called the amorphous region. In other words, if a substance exposed to X-ray and diffuse and broad pattern X-ray diffraction is called amorphous substance, and the property is called amorphousness. In amorphous region, the polymers are oriented or aligned at random. Crystallinity. If a substance is exposed to X-ray, give sharp and well-defined X-ray diffraction pattern is called crystalline substance, and the properties is called crystallinity. Crystalline orientation of a polymer within the polymer system of any fiber is called crystalline region. In crystalline regions, the polymers are oriented or aligned longitudinally into more or less parallel order. It is in the crystalline areas that hydrogen bond and van der Waals force occur.